Exciting news for all you pickup truck enthusiasts and eco-friendly vehicle supporters out there. Toyota is gearing up to bring something special to the roads, and this time it's electrifying. Get ready for the Toyota Hilux Electric, set to roll off the production lines in Thailand by 2025. Now, before we dive deeper, let's address the elephant in the room. Will this electric marvel make its way to India? While Toyota hasn't spilled the beans just yet, if it does, it looks like it might come as a fully imported CB, completely built up unit. Fingers crossed. The Toyota Hilux has been the go-to workhorse for over 5 decades, earning a reputation as the vehicle that could practically survive anything, even an apocalypse. With the automotive world shifting gears towards electric vehicles, EVs, and seeing rivals like the Ford F150 embracing an electric future, it was about time for the Electric Glow to get an electric glow up. Thanks to a recent scoop by Reuters, we've learned that Toyota is all set to kick off the production of the all-electric Hilux in 2025. This exciting news was shared by Noriaki Yamashita, the big boss at Toyota Thailand, signaling a green future for the beloved pickup. What's even cooler? This electrifying venture isn't just for show. The electric Hilux will be available for both domestic sales and exports, showing Toyota's commitment to spreading electric joy worldwide. This announcement popped up just days after the Thai government let slip that Isuzu Motors is also joining the electric pickup party, planning to manufacture its battery-powered D-Max in Thailand by 2025. And guess what? Pictures of the all-electric D-Max have already started making rounds on the internet, making its grand debut at the 2024 Bangkok International Motor Show, BIMS. During a chat on the sidelines of BIMS, Yamashita hinted that the electric Hilux could be hitting the roads by the end of next year. However, he kept the cards close to his chest regarding where this electric beast would be produced. On another exciting note, Toyota is looking at selling a whopping 250,000 vehicles in Thailand this year alone. Last year, to mark its 60th anniversary in Thailand, Toyota gave us a sneak peek of the Hilux EV concept. And let me tell you, it's a looker. Staying true to its roots, the electric version keeps the rugged charm of its fossil-fueled sibling, but adds a modern twist with some subtle styling updates. Think sealed-off nose and chic blue accents. But Toyota isn't just stopping at flashy reveals. According to the same Reuters report, Yamashita mentioned that the Hilux Electric is set to undergo extensive testing in the resort town of Pattaya, Thailand. Imagine this, a fleet of electric Hilux pickups cruising around town as public vehicles. This testing phase in Pattaya is crucial, as it will help Toyota iron out any kinks and fully understand the electric Hilux's capabilities and limits before it takes on the world stage. So, there you have it, folks. The future of pickup trucks is electric, and the Toyota Hilux is not about to be left behind. With its production set to begin in 2025, the countdown has officially begun. Whether you're a longtime Hilux fan or just someone curious about the future of EVs, this is definitely a development worth watching.